Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting in Settings, open Screen Time and tap Turn on Screen Time immediately. Choose whether this is your device or a child's device because that changes parental controls. Next, select Use Screen Time Passcode. Set a 4-digit code you'll remember but others won't guess. Once done, make sure to enter an Apple ID for passcode recovery when prompted. This prevents being locked out later. Follow these first steps now, so you can proceed to limits and downtime. Once your passcode is set, go to App Limits to add categories or individual apps and choose Daily Time Allowances. This curbs usage automatically. Then schedule downtime to block non-essential apps during chosen hours, such as bedtime. Configure start and end times. Make sure to use Always Allowed to whitelist phone, messages, or other apps you need access to regardless of limits. These combined settings enforce behavior with the passcode, so when time ends, only the passcode can extend access. To finalize, test by hitting an app limit or downtime. When blocked, confirm the passcode prompt appears. If you need to change or turn off the passcode, go to Screen Time, right arrow, change Screen Time Passcode, and authenticate. If you forget the passcode, use the Apple ID recovery option you set earlier to reset it. That's why linking your Apple ID is important. If anything misbehaves, restart the iPhone and check for an iOS update. This often resolves glitches fast.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.